Frosty na Shachtana on Scoil 2. Play and pause this video as you move down through the page. Say the words out loud and try to do some actions. By Friday, you should be able to answer the questions without looking at the actual answers. Gaeilge, Béarla, Sus, Mathematic, Relagoon, Loan, Scoil, Star, Corpidicus. Tir Oliacht. Oliacht, Science, Corpidicus PE, Scrúdaithe, Tests. Aline, Art. De Luan, De Mort, De Chédín, Déardín, De Hína. Taréis, Chun, Catharú, Laúr, Haindéig, Adóieg, Cahan, Imil, Bhun, Bhar, Idir. Anamnig, Rud Amháin atá sa chúine den seomra. Name one thing in the corner of the room, tá, whatever it is, sa chúine den seomra. Cad atá imil den board. What is on the edge of the table? Tá imil den board. Cé is seen bhun den seomra. Who sits at the bottom of the room? Seen, name of the person, bhun den seomra. Cé is seen Bhar den seomra. Who sits at the top of the room? Seen, name of the person, Bhar den seomra. Cén lá a bhín idir de Luan agus de Chédín. What day is between Monday and Wednesday? Bín, name of the day, idir de Luan agus de Chédín. Cén Tom óthas níon Scoil. What time does school start? Tá sín Scoil ag 10 tar éis ní. School starts at 9:10. Caitheann a bhín sus siúl. When is small break on? Bín sus siúl ag Catharú chun a Haindéig clog at 11:45. Cad iad na léithinte a bhín Béarla siúl. What days are English? Bín Béarla siúl an, and the name of the days. Caitheann a bhín sus mór siúl. When is big break on? Bín sus mór siúl ag Laúr tar éis dóieg. Big break is at 12:30. For this question, you choose what subject to go in the space. Cén lá a bhín, you pick the subject siúl, being the subject siúl an, the day it's on. For this question here, you choose different subjects with different start times. For example, an, pick a day of the week, ega, pick a time, cén tábhar scoile a bhín siúl. So on that day, at that time, what school subject is on. The answer would be an, so the same day, egan, the same time as the question, being whatever the subject is, siúl. You repeat that question 5 times. For example, an lún, ag 10 tar éis ní, cén tábhar scoile a bhín siúl. The answer is an lún, ag 10 tar éis ní, being Gaeilge siúl. Remember, you must say the sentences out loud to gain some confidence in speaking Irish. Best of luck.